Oh, yes.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll just-
Ancestors, Spirit of the land, call forth the ancient ones as we come to honor you, as we recognize this medicine wheel, as we remember that we have been here twice before and are asking to be shown now what is the state of consciousness of humanity according to this lifeline, this timeline of this medicine wheel. Great Spirit, we thank you for sharing this information, this visual, this understanding. For we come here in great honor and respect. Ancestors, see our hearts. See the energy of our staffs that come here in purity. From our heart to yours.
Makamahicha, Oya Kamachia, Yakaya, Okachima Kinyamaka, Ichia, Yakamakachio Makaya, Ikia Chia, Boka, Yachi Kamakaya Kimaka, Aya Choco, Ikaka,
This is the timeline of the waters. Dolphin energy. Bringing in the new vibration. The water. Ices. Time of humanity coming. Shifts in consciousness, exploration. Connection. Humanity getting prepared. The time of going forward and the time of many going backwards. Different shifts. Trying to find who they are. Why they are on the planet. What existence is about. Awakening. Coming into alignment. Exploring, connecting our galactic brothers and sisters. Starting anew. Ha! Circle is done. Yay! We are here. We made it. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah.